We are on the way to hopefully sell the Audi to a guy who already has one, and he said he's going to use it for parts, or he's going to maybe fix the Audi. So we shall see. I'll see you guys when we get there and see if we're going to get it sold or not. Hopefully we get it sold. So we have arrived here at the Audi. We're just waiting on the guy that's supposed to come look at it. So weird they have a house right here next to this business. So I couldn't see those the other day, the BMW. Hope this guy hurries up, because then just drive all the way out here for nothing.
Alright, say the number. 2, 2, 1. Say 1. 2.
22. Okay, yeah. Shit. I like this joint. I'll go ahead and unlock it and I guess let it cool off. Hopefully the boy does buy it. Trying to get rid of this thing ASAP for sure. Let's go ahead and cop this hood. I think it's already unlatched, so I just had to get it so it's ready to get up out of here. He gonna have to charge this battery up. I don't know, because we tried to jump it the other day and it did nothing for us, so I don't know. I just hope he buy it. I hope he come up in here with a trailer. I mean, regardless if he bought it or not, it's his problem to get it towed out of here. So, you know, if he don't and, you know, they get it towed off, that's his fault, so. Dang, actually the tag expires tomorrow. Ah. So, put out there. Now they got the new SUVs, new vehicles over there. It's a new dealership right there. Still never got to give this thing a wash. So you got the new Chrysler van and all that stuff over here. Yeah, this might be him right here, I don't know. Yeah, so anyways guys, I'm just hoping this boy buy this car so I can be done with this damn thing. And this ECM, this computer gonna have to get replaced in this thing. Jeep Compass. Okay. Key in the Jeep Compass. Okay, I tell him that. He said I'm getting off 130. What the hell? 130. Yeah. This whole thing probably just gonna need to be like all this need to be gutted. I guess that's his. He said he has one, so I mean, whatever parts. I mean. Shit, he probably swap and then have a good running car and do whatever he wants with the rest. I'm like, it is what it is. Y'all, it is. Damn car is filthy. The damn wheels is dirty. Start recording again once the boy gets here. See what he gonna do. Alright, you guys, the guys here. How you doing? Yes, the battery is dead right now. Something,
okay.
Yeah, it keeps killing it.
Maybe the alternator.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking, there's new, I put new,
Computer?
no, it might need it. No, it's probably gonna need one, but I put new relays in here.
Okay.
All the relays are new, but the computer probably need to be replaced. All the coils are brand new right now.
Spark plug.
Spark plugs,
Okay.
yeah, new spark plugs, the coil.
Okay. Yeah, but we won't be able to hear it on it then. So I didn't bring my jumper box.
Yeah. Yeah, they're so disgusting. It don't sound like they're gonna be buyers. I don't know.
You like Audi?
Huh?
You like Audis?
Yeah, I'm fixing one right now. I tell her I need a lot of parts. But,
Yeah. What year is yours? Same year?
no, it's 04. This 02,
04?
right?
02, yeah.
Yeah. I'm thinking not the same engine. Man, but that's the problem because the one that I have saying got problem on the engine. So I was thinking if he's something with the head on mine, I might just take the head out of this one. But if it's something wrong, something that I can fix here, I just got
Yeah,
to
I'll say
take
the
out of that
engine's,
one.
I
yeah,
think
the engine's
fine.
good.
It's just the ECM.
The
Yeah,
the
because
electronics.
yeah, because some got wet in
Okay.
there. So, but yeah, the engine's definitely good on it.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's like being it.
Put a lot of money on it and still not running. And then I saw this one. You know what? I'm tired of being looking for parts. I just maybe buy one for parts and get mine done and ready.
So you guys, the Audi is sold. I've already left it, but I didn't get back what I spent on it, but I got half my money back, so that's cool. The guys you see in the video right there, the shorter one is the one who is buying it. So I got like $600 into the car, including like the parts and all of that, and what I spent to diagnose the thing. And I had put it up for $550, and the guy didn't seem to be like, he was budging because he wanted to hear it crank, like, and I'd say the damn thing didn't, you know, really crank, but which it doesn't. We tried to jump it the other day and it wasn't working. So then my husband had him at 4 and he still ain't seen me budging. Now it's just like, bump, just give me $350. I'm just trying to get rid of it. I just want it gone. So at least I get some of my money back. So that will be the last of that Audi. So to the next project, hopefully, but I still gotta finish the Sentra. Hopefully, because the body on that thing is rough. So leave a comment and let me know what you guys think. What you think about me, you know, losing $250 on the Audi, but you know, you win some, you lose some. And leave a comment, let me know what you guys think. Okay, y'all, so the person, I just got the rest of the money from them. There they go right there. I just got the remainder of the money.
Well, actually, I'm gonna get you money.
So, for the Audi, so there we go right there. And I'm dropping money. So the Audi is now officially gone. I just came from the DMV and switched the title over, and I just had to come here to meet the girl at the bank to get the rest of my money. So, hasta la vista to the goddamn Audi. On to bigger and better things, you guys. Catch you next video. Nene is out.